This is a review of the Blackdecker electric pole chainsaw that I would highly recommend. This is a 8 amp and it's 10 inches long, the electric pole. And what I like about it is that it's very easy to use, and the electric pole is very lightweight. I do want to say that on this part for the chainsaw, it is a little bit on the heavier side, but nonetheless, the performance of it is really amazing. It performs very well. It cuts your trees down much faster, and it cuts it very in a good way that makes your tree look like someone professionally cutted it. And you do see that it comes with the oil based, so you have to pour in the oil, and then it is corded. So then you need to pretty much have a long cord to make it more versatile and make it more easier to use. So keep that in mind that it is corded. But the 10-inch electric pole is very long. You can see that it's all the way from here to all the way to there. It is very long when it comes to cutting those branches down and to improve the look of your tree. I would highly recommend this. This is something that is very useful to have for your home, especially for your lawnmower accessories. This will make your tree look brand new. And if you have like a pretty tall tree that it's very hard to get to those areas to cut your tree branches down, this will definitely do the job, because you can see the 10-inch electric pole is quite long enough to go reach to all the tight and tall areas. And nonetheless, the chainsaw is really amazing. It does come with the plastic cover to keep the blade when it's not in use, so that's a huge plus right there. I would highly recommend the Blackdecker electric chainsaw because of how it is the blade is very sharp. It cuts down the tree branches much faster, and overall, I absolutely just love the Blackdecker electric chainsaw and would highly recommend this for everyone that is looking for a replacement or pretty much a new improvised chainsaw. Then this is probably one of the best ones.